KTN.
Shift in focus, a major disruption of court operations is expected on Wednesday this week after the Law Society of Kenya called for a nationwide boycott. The move comes amid mounting allegations of corruption, misconduct and delayed justice, with the recent controversy surrounding a senior judge's registered firearm linked to crime, adding fresh pressure on the institution. As KTN's Francis Ontomwa now details, the latest dispute is seen as part of a broader push to force out Chief Justice Martha Koome.
She made history in 2021 as Kenya's first female Chief Justice, taking the helm of a judiciary many hoped would reclaim public trust, strengthen independence, and confront deep-rooted corruption. 5 years later, however, the lofty expectations seem to be facing a major test.
The Law Society of the legal profession shall undertake a nationwide boycott of court proceedings on Wednesday, 22nd July 2026.
The state will...
The latest storm, the Law Society of Kenya now says, will be disruptive but monumental.
The Council and the Society shall also undertake targeted, specific court boycotts of the courts presided by judges and judicial officers who have obtained court orders to stop investigations by the Judicial Service Commission and the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission.
The boycott comes at a time when the judiciary is facing fresh scrutiny over the controversy surrounding a firearm registered to a Court of Appeal judge, Aggrey Muchelule, which police say was recovered from a suspected criminal, a development that has intensified focus on the integrity of top judicial officers.
You know, the office of a judge is similar to the office of Caesar's wife. It is an office that is beyond suspicion. Get it? What comfort will you, as an advocate or as an appellant on a similar case, have before a court presided over by this judge?
The Judicial Service Commission, which is itself under the spotlight, reported in 2025 receiving 178 petitions against judges and 65 disciplinary cases involving judicial officers and staff.
This is the first appearance by the...
Although some complaints were dealt with, critics say the sheer weight of the numbers remain impossible to overlook.
We need to have the periodic vetting of judges and magistrates. This must happen. And it is my expectation that when this administration transits to a new administration, we have a new parliament, there will be people in parliament who will bring the vetting of judges and magistrates bill.
The oaths will be sealed by...
Chief Justice Martha Koome has on her part not shied away from the claims, but has repeatedly said she was a victim of unseen forces.
I'm a victim of cyberbullying, or is it called technologically facilitated gender-based violence?
Francis Ontomwa, KTN.
Now, former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua now